check it. So we're in Lock Haven. This is the old Nerd Haven building. Dark as shit. But we're turning it into a skate area here. So that's what we're doing. Hey, baby. You're sweet. This is just the downstairs. I took a bunch of anime posters and books here. We have this ledge over there. This back room here. There's a bunch of shit. Yeah, bunch of old ass TVs mainly. All right.
He fucking can't. Not landing it. It's 2 minutes.
Still, 2 minutes. It takes like fucking 2 minutes to upload.
Buddy's teaching me how to record.
You're right.
Oh, in there the whole fucking time. Look.
Watch. I'll even do a kickflip on your board since you can't do it.
He can't do a fucking kickflip. Alright, I stand corrected. Never mind. Alright, vlog day 2. This is Maddox. Whatever. This is Carter's day 5. This is only the second time I've been in a video, so that's why I said 2. Okay. Anyways, we skated. Did you talk to them about all this shit?
No, I didn't do anything.
Alright. Carter, just delete this video.
I need it. I need it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know what it is, but I need it. I need it.
Yeah, that's definitely it.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Winston, we got him. Take the shot. What'd you say? That's funny. Let me. Okay. Ew. Fuck no. Time? Or what?
You know what they say, third time's the charm, baby.
You're fine.
Fuck the shut up.
I can't. Third time is not the charm. I'm
What do you have
sorry.
to say about it?
I let you guys down. You know, this is me and Spartacus from Dragonborn. And he actually said a few choice words to Maddox just now. Didn't really appreciate it, so this is the upstairs. It's pretty fucking cool. And over here we have like the office. Go Schmudder, go! Go Schmudder, go!